Tide, the well-known brand, has these great to-go instant stain remover pens. Comes in a 3-pack, which I love. It's great for purse, laundry room, car. Watch and see how great it works. This wonderful stain removing pen can be used while you're wearing the garment. First, you just simply blot off the excess. Spilled a little soup on my clothes. I could do this while I have it on in a restaurant, in a bathroom, at the office. I'm going to show you here in the laundry room though, because it's easy to do. You simply let the stain get saturated with the ingredients in the pen. It helps remove ink, coffee, ketchup, barbecue sauce, spaghetti sauce, some of the stains that are usually very difficult to get out. And I'm going to gently rub across the stain and add more liquid when necessary. I have this wet rag here. I'm going to wet it again in a different spot, and the stain is removed. I'm going to let that dry and show you the after results. Size Rescue has saved me many times. It's great with children as well. You can spot clean their clothes while it's still on them if you're out and about, and it will remove the embarrassing stain. No bleach. It works on cotton, hemp, polyester, blended fabrics, synthetics. It works on almost every fabric. The #1 instant stain remover, Tide to Go pens. You will want to have one in every place in your life. This stain is completely gone after treated with Tide to Go pen. This triple pack of Tide to Go pen will give you results like this every time you need it. I highly recommend